do another one problem. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 17. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 17. Okay, so how we are going to do is this 17 equal to 3. We need to check how many times this 3 will be there in this 17. So 3 cross 5. Okay, 3 cross 5 equal to 15 plus 2 you will get 17. Okay, so this 17, 3 mod 17, this 17 we are writing here, and this 3, how many 3's are there in this 17? So 5 3's are there plus 2. Okay, next what we are going to do is we are shifting this, we are going to write this 3 here, and we are going to write this 2 here. So what's the value? 3 equal to 2. Now what we want to check is how many 2's are there in this 3. So 2 into, we are having only 1 2 in this 3. So 2 into 3 plus 1. Okay, so remind this, here we are getting the remainder 1. That means there exists a multiplicative inverse. Okay, so if you are getting 1 here, there will be a multiplicative inverse. Okay, so we can find the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 17. Okay, so and I am marking these two values, that is there is last values 2 and 1. Based on this I am going to rewrite this equation. So I am rewriting this equation, the first equation, that is 2, this 2 I am considering this 2. So 2 equal to this 17, taking this to that side, that is 17 minus 3 into 5. Mark this as equation number 1. Similarly other one, this one. So 1 equal to this 3 minus 2 into 1. Mark this as equation number 2. Okay, so considering these values I am rearranging these expressions. So in some examples here using two expressions you got 1 here, the remainder 1 here. In some examples this expressions goes on for 3 or 4 equations you will get to get the remainder 1. Okay, so based on these values we are rearranging these equations. Okay, now what we are going to do is, now we are going to apply Euclidean technique, extended now we are going to apply the extended Euclidean technique to find the multiplicative inverse. Okay, so extended Euclidean technique is nothing but from the last expression we will find the value, we will proceed the value. Okay, so that means here in this problem we are having only two expressions. If you are having two or more expressions, from the last expressions we will find the value. Okay, so for this problem we are considering the second expression. So what's the second equation? That is 1 equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. So this is the second expression. Okay, so from the last to first. Okay, so that means here we are having 1 2, that is this 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to substitute 2 in 1, sorry 1 in 2. We are going to substitute 1 in 2. So what was the change in this expression? That is 1 equal to 3 minus, instead of 2 we are going to substitute this one, that is 17 minus 3 into 5 equal, sorry, and then this one into 1. Okay, so what we did here was 1 equal to 3 minus 2, instead of 2 substituted 17 minus 3 into 5 and this 1. Okay. So, again we can multiply this one here. Okay. So, again rewriting this expression, 3 minus 17 times 1, 17 into 1 minus 3 into 5. Okay. Again simplifying this expression, that is 3 minus, I am taking this negative sign inside, that is minus 17 times 1 minus into minus plus, that is 3 times 5. Okay. Now I can rearrange this one. This can also rewrite as 3 times 1, the remaining same, that is 17 times 1 plus 3 times 5. Okay. Now verify these expressions. This is 3 times 1 and this is 3 times 5. Okay. So I am rewriting these two expressions, that is 3 times 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 and the other values minus 17 into 1. Okay, that is 3 times 6 minus 17 into 1. Okay, so see the question, what why we did these steps. We need to find 3 mod 17, we need to find this value. Okay, so this 3 will come here and this 17 will comes here. Okay, so obviously the final step will be like this 3 and this 17. Okay, and these values, and this value is the multiplicative inverse of 3. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 17 is 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.